Using Momento Proxy as a drop-in replacement for Memcached, a configuration guide. Before we get started, you will need Docker Desktop, a Momento API key, and a cache in your Momento account. Start by opening up a terminal and pulling the Momento Proxy Docker image. Next, we'll look at the config file that we'll provide to the container on startup. We've configured the port used by Memcached along with the name of the cache we'll be using and a default time to live. Let's verify the cache exists in our Momento account. Good, looks like it does. Back to the terminal, we'll do docker run, configure the Memcached and admin ports. We'll add our Momento API key and the name of our config file as environment variables. Then, we'll mount the folder where our config file lives and tell Docker to pass this along to the image we just pulled. Let's do a quick check in Docker to make sure our container is running. Cool. Looks like we're set up. We have a container running using the Momento Proxy base image. Let's see if it works. Does the cache key hello have a value? Nope. Let's change that. Back over to a terminal, we can connect to the Memcached port of our container using telnet. Let's set the hello key using the default TTL. And boom. Do a quick check and get it right back out of the cache. Now, let's go back to our Momento account and see one more time if that hello cache key has a value. It does. We've successfully configured Momento Proxy to intercept Memcached calls. Great job.